बायक्स आसात त्यो डिलिव्हरी खातीर यूज करपाच्यो आनी तातूंतल्यान तांकां लायव्हलीहूड मेळचें अशी एक इनिशिएटीव आमी गोंयचे ई सारथी ह्या नांवांनी आमी सुरू करतात. त्या निमित्तान हांव ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करता तांणी येवचें आनी की हँडओवर करचें.
आजच्या 78व्या भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्त सगळ्यांचे स्वागत. आम्ही वाचेवेले माननीय ग्रामविकास मंत्री, रोटरीचे सदस्य, आमचे MD पाटणकर सर, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर साऊथ दीपाली मॅडम आणि CLF हांची चेअरपर्सन आणि तुम्ही सगळे ऑडियन्स मेंबर्स, तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव वेलकम करता आणि कार्यक्रमाची सुरवात करता. हो कार्यक्रम गोंयचे ई सारथी ह्या नांवान सुरू आसा आणि आमी गोंयचे जे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप आसा DRDA वांगडा आमी कोलॅबरेट करून, सक्षम हे जे CLF आसा तांच्या वांगडा कोलॅबरेशन करून आमी गोंयाच्या ज्यो विमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आसा तातूंत तांकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट आणि लायव्हलीहूड हेच्या खातीर हो एक उपक्रम आसा. तातूंत आमी आतांच हांवें आमी पळयलें तशें की हँडओवर करून एक सिंबॉलीक ताका उद्घाटन ताचें केलां. आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट पाटणकर सर टू कायंडली गिव अ बुके टू द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर. The project director, any one of the CLF members can come and Ira ma'am, please, the project director, Deepali madam. I would request Asmita to kindly hand over to Dr. Raghuveer Salkar, the president of Rotary Club of Panji. Mr. Sunil Deshpande of Rotary Club of Panji, request one of the CLF members to hand over a bouquet. Asmita can hand over to Gauri John. खंयच्याय कार्यक्रमाची आमी जेन्ना सुरवात करता तेन्ना वी डू इट विथ द ऑस्पिशियस ट्रेडिशनल लॅम्प, लायटिंग ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल लॅम्प. सो हांव
respected dignitaries on the days, Honorable Minister RD श्री गोविंद गावडे सर आणि अदर डिग्निटरीज, सगळ्यांचे नाव घ्या ना प्लीज, माझ्याकडे दिसतंय ना मॅडमची. आणि ऑफ द डेज आमचे स्टाफ, कस्टम मेंबर्स आणि जे आमचे आजचे सारथी असतात, जे आमचे जे हार्ड वर्क केला आणि ज्या EN सिस्टमान आमकां जी गाडयो दिल्यात ताजे ते सार्थक करतली आणि तांकां धडाडीन सगळे आपले पायार उबे रावन दाखयतली अश्यो आमचे सगळे भयणी हांगा आसात. आणि ज्यो सक्षम CLF आसा तातूंतल्यो सगळ्यो वांगडी आणि सगळे हांगा आशिल्ले आमचे आयिल्ले भाव आणि भयण सगळ्यांक हांव येवकार दिता. म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता की जेन्ना आमी कितें इनिशिएटीव घेता आनी एका बायलांक मनशेक वयर काडपाक पडटा आनी तेन्ना आमकां सगळ्यांचो हातभार जाय पडटा. अशें आमकां रोटरी क्लबाच्या हातूंय, रोटरी हातूंय तांणी दिल्लें आसा. खूब कडेन आमकां तांणी हेल्प केल्लें आसा आणि तांकां येवकार दिता सगळ्यांक हांव. आमी कोलॅबरेशनान केल्लें आसा हें काम. आणि दुसरें म्हणजे ह्या जी सिस्टम आसा ही सिस्टमची आमकां पोल्युशन फ्री स्कूटर चलोवपाक मेळटली आणि आमच्या बायलांक डिलिव्हरी दिवपाक आणि सर्विसीस दिवपाक बरें पडटलें इन एंड अराउंड पणजी सिटी, विच वील हेल्प देम टू अर्न द लायव्हलीहूड, विच इज मेन एम ऑफ आवर NRLM स्कीम, विच इज टू मेक देम सक्षम आणि टू मेक देम पॉवरफुल. कळ्ळें तुमकां?
So on behalf of MPN Systems, thank you all for attending. Just a little bit about the company. We are a private sector firm, but our focus is on social impact. And some of the areas that we work in are the power sector, so renewable energy, energy efficiency. Then we are looking at greening the rural value chain, so looking at post-harvest processing using clean energy in the rural sector. We are also promoting e-mobility, public transportation and other forms of sustainable mobility. And
MPN Systems, I again welcome all of you all. I also want to acknowledge the presence of our technology partners, the energy company and Jitendra Mobile. We'll invite them to introduce themselves also a little later. But frankly, thank you very much, sir, for supporting this initiative. We are strongly behind all sorts of projects that we can influence in the state of Goa. इराणी आता सांगितलं तसं आम्ही रुरल डेव्हलपमेंटमध्ये आमचा फार इंटरेस्ट आहे आणि आमचे सिंधुदुर्गातले एक पार्टनर पण आता इकडे आहेत, मिस्टर श्रीधर ओगळे. त्यांच्याबरोबर आम्ही पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट प्रोसेसिंग युनिट्समध्ये बरंच त्यांच्याबरोबर काम करतोय आणि आम्हाला त्या पद्धतीचे प्रोजेक्टसुद्धा गोव्यामध्ये सपोर्ट करायची इच्छा आहे आणि आम्ही वी आर ॲब्सोल्युटली sort of as your partner going to do under your guidance.
Honorable Minister for Sports, Youth Affairs, Art and Culture and Rural Development, Govind Gowde, officials of the Department of Rural Development, MD of MPN Systems Advisory Private Limited, Dr. Mahesh Patankar, and your other colleagues from the company, dignitaries on the days of the days, E-Sarthi who are here, members of Rotary family and my dear friends. A very good evening to all of you and a happy Independence Day to all of you. Just briefly, Rotary Club of Panaji is about 64 years old and is known for very numerous social projects. We were the first one in the state to set up an iBank. We also were instrumental in constructing a new building in the city of Panaji for Kasturba Matoshri High School. We have set up a state-of-art nursing training institute in Korlim, and number of projects have been done at GMC, including during the tough COVID times. Presently, also we are working with GMC towards enhancing the dialysis unit area. Rotary Club of Panaji is very happy and excited to be a part of this project, Goiche E-Sarthi, launched by Government of Goa in association with MPN Systems Advisory Private Limited. The proposal actually came to our club.
Development Shri Govind Gowde, Director of Rural Development South Dipali Naik Madam, President of Rotary Club Panjim Dr. Raghuveer Salkar, Shri Korish Don, Post District Governor, Rotary International 3170, Managing Director MPN System Dr. Mahesh Patankar, esteemed guests and fellow women of Saksham CLF and everyone present over here. I, Adeline Nati Fernandez, Chairperson of Saksham CLF, warmly welcome you to the launch of Goinchi E-Sarthi, our very own SSG bike delivery riders. Today marks the 78th Independence Day. I wish one and all a very happy Independence Day and also happy feast of the Assumption of Blessed Mother Mary. We are honored to have Minister of Rural Development to launch this innovative initiative supported by Goa State Rural Livelihood Mission, MPN System and Rotary Club. This project embodies our commitment to sustainable livelihoods, environmental conservation and women's empowerment. We are grateful for the guidance and support of Goa State Rural Livelihood Mission in strengthening our self-help group towards capacity and leadership towards our women, developing entrepreneurship skills and business plan, enhance our livelihoods and income generating activities, foster a sense of community and collective empowerment. Goa State Rural Livelihood Mission's support has been instrumental in enabling our self-help groups to become vibrant and dynamic platforms for women's empowerment and sustainable development. We appreciate their trust in us and look forward to continued collaboration. MPN Systems, industry expertise, and Rotary Club's community spirit have been a perfect blend, empowering our SSGs to take the lead in this project. We appreciate their belief in our potential and their commitment to our success. The second page, have patience. This eco-friendly electric bikes will not only provide a sustainable source of income to our members, but also contribute to a cleaner environment. We are proud to be a part of this green revolution. I urge all women to join our SAGs and be part of this transformation journey. Together we can achieve financial independence, social empowerment and environmental sustainability. We started from SAG, grew to village organization and still growing to cluster level federation and still more to go. Our small steps will lead to big achievements. Sky is just the limit. We all have to strive for more. Let us be an example to other clusters to be ready to embrace innovative projects like this, and let's support each other in our journey towards self-reliance. As chairperson of Saksham CLF, I, Adeline Nati Fernandez, pledge to continue working tirelessly towards women's empowerment and sustainable development. I urge all our members to embrace this initiative and make it a success. Thank you, Minister of Rural Development, Goa State Rural Livelihood Mission, MPN System, Rotary Club, all my SSG team, caterers, not forgetting BC Kiran Parvatkar, for believing in us. Let's work together to create a brighter future for our communities. Jai Goa, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Mr. Rahul Lamba from the Energy Company for exchange of MOUs between MPN Systems and the Energy Company.